Hey everyone, we are headed out for the Magic Kingdom fireworks dessert party. Are you double tool? Beautiful. We did this last year. I will link that video below. We didn't really care for it like at all. It was out on the hub grass. So this year we got the ones where you sit down and enjoy it and you have actual seats. So we're gonna try that out this year. We've had a rest in the hotel after Animal Kingdom Day. Oh wow, it is already almost 7:30. Luckily we are at the Grand Floridian, so we're gonna walk over.
I found something that might match you.
Oh, thank you. Can you see it? Look, Landon, we're both wearing tulle, is that how you say it? Tulle skirts for our big dessert party tonight.
Yay, 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 yay!
So we're gonna try to go and ride the train because it hasn't been open since Landon's been alive, right, Daddy?
Yes,
Are
definitely.
you so excited for tonight?
So excited.
It's been hot today. It's like 110
Feel
heat
refreshed
index.
and ready to go.
So we laid in bed for like an hour and a half in the air conditioning. Did not nap. Fingers crossed it goes well, but we are all ready to go. Everything's packed up. I think we're gonna take the boat over, right?
Yeah.
The boat is like right here. You want to take the boat?
Yeah.
You look beautiful, Landon. All right, off we go. Come along. I'm excited. I just have to give child appreciation.
I put the star in the one. The one in.
So excited. I'm so excited.
I pushed the
Feels
star.
so much better.
I pushed.
Now we gotta find the boat.
I pushed the one and the star.
Nice. The slowest elevator. Prettiest, but slowest. Daddy says hydraulic system. Like, look at that chandelier. It's insane.
I can't believe it.
Gonna sit on the bench. Here comes our boat.
Welcome aboard. For your safety,
This is so relaxing. I wonder what that boat's for.
This is just gonna be a stop.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Polynesian again and then over to the Magic Kingdom. Yeah, this boat ride took a bit longer than I thought. So, let's go right to the dessert party. Get some grub.
Hello everyone, my name is Landon Laws and we went to a dessert party. I got to spend time with my family, Laura and Phil, and we also watched some fireworks.
Sarah, is this for the fireworks? I guess so, right? If it's an hour away. Waiting. Excited for some champagne in Magic Kingdom. Man, once the sun goes down behind the trees, so much better. I was thinking it was quarter after, it's 20 after.
There's tons of people down there.
Oh, okay. We are seated right there. Guess we check in here. Here we are, seats and suites check in. Laws, L-A-W-S. Yeah.
Is it your first time here?
We did that one last year. She said she'll take it. Yeah. Do we need anything?
Take her water.
Yeah, let's take her water. So here's your plate. There's chocolate pie, cookies and cream cheesecake mousse. Oh, chocolate covered strawberries, mommy's favorite. Can you use the tongs? Good job. They have chilling. Hold on, baby. Do you want a pop? Chilling chamber pop. Okay. This is a Tres Leches.
I want to try that.
Okay. You want a strawberry? How about a devil's chocolate pudding? That sounds good. There's donuts, ricotta donuts with cinnamon. There's fresh donuts. You want some donuts?
That's what I want.
Okay, take that over and I'll get fruit. Okay.
What else?
Is it good? All right, Daddy. I got cheese, crackers, fruit. You want some juice, honey, or milk? Honey, it's strawberry lemonade. And sparkling cider. It's gonna be a nice view, right?
Very nice.
Chocolate covered strawberries and champagne. Hi. Can I get a glass of the Chardonnay and a glass of... Is this white?
Yes.
Of that, please.
It's from Spain and not France, but it's semi-sweet sparkling white wine, so we all understand what it is.
Thank you. See this lady up here with the icing? So ask her for a cookie to decorate. Do you want a sugar or chocolate chip? A sugar cookie, please. Icing's here, and then sprinkles on top. Do it, baby. It's your cookie to... This could be a disaster. Okay, that's good. Not too much, Landon, if you're going to do all of them, okay? Kind of looks like Forky. Let me see. Can you show it to me? Beautiful. Oh, she's done. Okay, I have wet wipes. I'm just here for the cheese, champagne, and chocolate-covered strawberry. It's gonna be such a pretty view. Happy birthday to you.
Parties! Hannah over here is turning 7 today!
Birthday to you. There were a lot of celebrations this night. For non-alcoholic drinks, they had sparkling cider, pop juice, strawberry lemonade, regular lemonade, unsweetened tea. They had water, which was marinating with lemons, but that didn't cover the taste. It wasn't very good. Cold milk. Then they had hot selections, and it was a really hot July, so they were not very popular, but they had tea and Joffrey's coffee with all the fixins. I can't remember what I paid for it, but I feel like it's better than like being up there. We are like 15 minutes away. Maybe that's why they keep that front area open so you can move your seat up there. They're not saying anything. You can see higher up in the sky.
Oh no, it's definitely a better place to sit.
Yeah, I think this is fine for us. My Magic Band Plus. Is that cool? To you, yeah! Hey, Lana, it's gonna start in like 1 minute. Do you want to put your headphones on, or you think you'll be fine without it?
So only I can hear it. I can't hear it.
does. I wish our daughter liked fireworks.
Landon, is it a song?
It's your song, Landon. Oh, look at the balloons. Like from up. She ate her money and dessert. for adults and $69 for kids. Is that what I said? Something like that.
$114.
Totally worth it.
Yeah.
The last one, not worth it. This one, for the view, the hassle of not dealing with what's going on out there. And you can actually have drinks while you watch the show. And it's really nice. Especially if you have someone that's afraid of fireworks. And chocolate straw covered strawberries.
They were good.
A lot of it was good. They get to decorate their cookie. Wave the magic band in front of Stitch and then double tap. Okay, ready? Look! It's doing it! Can you double tap? Tap, tap. Tap my magic band twice. Tap it. Do you hear it? Do you have any idea what's happening tomorrow morning? Where are you going tomorrow morning?
Where?
You are going to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. We're coming back in the morning. Bye, Castle. That was a great show. I really enjoyed my evening. Oh no. I said I really enjoyed the evening.
Oh yeah.
That was wonderful. I would do this again.
Raindrops.
Really?
Couple.
Or bubbles?
No.
Good night, Magic Kingdom. Thank you, good night. We need to go that way, baby. We're gonna walk. And it's raining. We got this. We'll see. I mean, I definitely think it's better to take the boat or monorail. But on a crazy night where you're in like sardines, I've never experienced that. I guess because we always
like that much.
No, I guess because we always bail early because someone doesn't like fireworks.
I like the wine, I like the desserts.
And the seats.
And the seats were good. I
Yeah.
had a lot of favorite parts.
Yeah. What was the negative?
Worst part? I don't know. Just it's a little hot tonight, but that's not their fault.
I feel like it would have been nice if they like came around with like trays instead of like having a bartender because there weren't that many options.
They could clear your table a little quicker.
Clear table and also have better water. There's only one
Water
option
was
for
not
water and it was undrinkable, so Otherwise, I think it's totally worth it for what you get, and especially if you love champagne and chocolate-covered strawberries. Okay. Good night, everyone. Good night, monorail. Tomorrow's bibbidi bobbidi. Look, it's the electrical water pageant parade. Look how beautiful, yeah.
Daddy, there's a dragon sculpture.
Yeah. That's so cool. Okay, let's have dinner here at Narcosis tomorrow night, and then we can watch that.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.